What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about American Express personal loans. American Express personal loans range from $3,500 to $40,000 and can be used for various expenses. The APR ranges from 6.91% to 19.97% with no application or origination fees. Late payments incur a $39 fee. Eligibility requires an active American Express consumer card and meeting other criteria. Now, let's talk about some of its advantages. American Express personal loans offer a quick application process with decisions made in seconds and funds sent in as fast as 1 day after loan acceptance. This feature allows borrowers to access funds promptly, making it convenient for various uses such as consolidating debt, financing home improvements, or covering unexpected expenses. American Express personal loans features fixed interest rates, ensuring predictable monthly payment for borrowers. The rates are competitive, ranging from 6.91% to 19.97%, allowing borrowers to manage their finances effectively. American Express personal loans come with no origination fees or prepayment penalties, promoting a cost-effective borrowing experience. This feature allows borrowers to save money by avoiding additional fees and having the flexibility to pay off their loans early without penalties. When checking eligibility for American Express personal loans, the initial application process does not impact the borrower's credit score. However, a hard credit inquiry is conducted when the borrower proceeds with the application after reviewing pre-approved offers, which may temporarily lower the credit score by a few points. This feature allows borrowers to explore loan options without negatively affecting their credit score. Now, let's discuss some of the potential drawbacks. American Express personal loans are only available to eligible card members who receive an offer to apply and meet the eligibility requirements, including being 18 years or older, a U.S. citizen or resident of the U.S. or its territories, and having an active American Express consumer card. This may limit accessibility for some individuals who do not meet these criteria. If a borrower fails to make a payment on time or has insufficient funds to pay the monthly payment amount in full, a late payment of $39 will be assessed. This fee can add to the borrower's overall costs and may negatively impact their credit score if the payment is not made within 30 days of the due date. American Express personal loans offer borrowers a range of benefits, including quick application and funding, competitive rates, and transparent fees. These features make the loans an attractive option for those seeking to consolidate debt, finance home improvements, or cover unexpected expenses. However, it's important to consider potential drawbacks such as eligibility requirements and late payment fees. By weighing the benefits and drawbacks, borrowers can make informed decisions about whether American Express personal loans align with their financial needs and goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.